So you can see what time does to a greenhouse. This is 12 years since I built the greenhouse, and I used multiply board here, but after 12 summers and 12 winters it's just turning to nothing. It's all crumbling away. And it's time to do a few repairs. As you can see, the glass is broken here, the outside panel. I'm not replacing that because there's 3 plies of glass on there, and the inner 2 are okay still. It's just the outer one that is broken. And that was my own stupid fault. On a dry day I tightened up the screws on the lats, and then it rained and the wood swelled and cracked the glass. So we'll just forget about the glass. What we're going to do now is replace these lats and replace these planks at the side. So let's take this off and have a look what it looks like underneath. So we've stapled a bit of rubber backing here onto the back of the lat, and now we have to drill the holes and hope they match up with the holes in the greenhouse already. Like a pig, I guess. I'm sweating like mad because it's 33 degrees here at the moment. So we had to stop working because it was too hot. This is the 3rd time I've made this video. Yeah, it was too hot, and I was getting baked from behind from the reflecting panes and from the sun in the sky, and I was like a sausage on a griddle in the middle. And so I had to stop. I couldn't even hold the tools because the tools were so hot in the sun. Okay, I'll possibly see you again 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Well, managed to get up at 5:30, 6 o'clock now. Let's get to work. Well, that'll do for today. I've got all the lats replaced, and there's 2 lats right in the centre on top of the glass on the roof, but it's already still too hot to work now, and I don't know if I've got the cajones to go up on a ladder and lean over the glass and do it like I did when I was in my 40s. Just don't know if I get it, you know. I don't want to fall through the goddamn roof, and we'll see. Maybe tomorrow I've got a bit more cajones. So that's a greenhouse, upgraded, pimped up, and should be good for another 15 years, I hope. And then I won't worry about it anymore. So have a great day, and do whatever you're doing and have your fun.